Alright boys, hello, we got here in Malay again. So we are back on our usual setup. I forgot what I want to say, I want to share. Lately I've been watching Squid Game, and in that movie, just the episode 1 up to 7 just came out and no updates. So they just keep talking about the main character just keeps talking about getting out there without casualties. But my take on that game is the main character is the winner of the the previous winner of the game, right? In season 1, he's the winner, so he has around 30 billion or 40 billion. Why not make that as a wager, or um, make that to convince the other player to side on him when it's time to vote? No, it doesn't make sense. They just die there. Why not? Let's just say, okay, I will. For those who will vote X, I will give you each 500 million. Oh, see? And just like that, they would there many people would actually vote on the X side, so they would get out on the game. The O would transfer their vote to X. uh Margin, back to this CSS margin auto. You know already what I'm trying to fix here, this position. So inset 0 4 zeros, pull this to the right, to the left, 100 pixel, 120. Alright, the box is good. Now the rectangle that has a border radius, so this is square, and copy the square. Let's make a rectangle, rect, and then you remove the aspect ratio, make this height to 60 pixels, and the width is 260 pixels something. Okay, 200. Then change the color to the orange one. Orange. Put this on the top. Negative 100 pixel to the right. In the middle, so 0. Okay, we can see it. 20, and reduce the width by 20 pixel. Put border radius on the top left, top right, and bottom right. So we can just put here. We can write the shorthand for the border radius 50 at 20 pixel, 20 pixel, and 0 for the bottom left. That's it. Yeah, I guess that would cover the shape. Yeah, it's perfect. Now we can create for this red one. No, we can create a box shadow because they are not the same shape. the border radius, instead of top, it transferred into the bottom. So create another rect2. This is rect1, by the way. Name this rect1. Copy the rect1. Name this rect2. And move this to the bottom, so positive. And the color is red. The next thing here is the border radius. So transfer the bottom left to the top left. So here, 0. And then lastly would be the church background. Body. This color. Alright, submit. I would love to buy another battery because I'm having trouble in my laptop here. Just easily die. Yeah, that's the video. Get out of here. Who do I get present?